Alright, here is a 40-inch unknown GE vent ceiling fan installed here in the garage. As you can see, this ceiling fan I got as a Christmas present from my parents. They got it at Habitat for me. I currently have the light kit from my Passport 2 on this fan. There's the inside of the globe. It's got reversible cane to non-cane blades. And there's the top. This fan came 100% complete, except for one of the screws to hold the canopy to the mounting bracket. And I'm not sure what brand this fan is. I made a video of this fan on my old channel and I got a variety of different guesses, so if anybody has a guess, or better yet, knows the brand of this fan, you can leave it in the comments below. I like this fan. For its size, it does a really good job blowing air. It's probably from sometime in the 90s. And now I'll demonstrate it. The light. Low. It's got a bit of a bearing noise to it. Medium. High. And off. And that is it. This is my 40-inch unknown ceiling fan with GE vents. Once again, if anybody has any idea of the brand or model of this fan, you can let me know in the comments below. But that's it. The Russian Fazbear, out.